So I thought it might be interesting for the esteemed viewers of my channel, to get a quick update about the typhoon situation in the Philippines. Now, one thing is the Philippines are a massive country, and we are near Dumaguete on Negros Island on the east coast, and today it's very calm. But there was just one typhoon which passed, which I believe unfortunately killed up to 185 people, and more are still missing, unfortunately. And there is another typhoon coming, and so this is really the calm in between storms, which you can see here today in the morning. So I cannot give you a specific prediction about the arrival of the next typhoon because I'm not a meteorologist, but I'm using Windy, which is one of several really good apps. They're not sponsoring me. I'm just an enthusiastic user. So it's basically on the fly satellite data analysis. And you have different channels like wind speed or currents, and you can scroll into the near future, a couple of days, and see how these winds will probably develop. And there's also a mode where you can specifically look at the predicted tracks of hurricanes. So the Typhoon Uwan, which means wind in Cebuano, is called Fung Wong in international predictions. So check this out and hopefully see you underwater after these terrible typhoons.